Alright, we're going to a Mr. Car Wash here in Tucson on Oracle Road.
Oracle Miracle Mile.
Cool. Nice. Oh yeah, because you have a membership.
I was wondering how you got through there so quickly.
Here's a sticker right
And
here.
alpaljl is in the back. He's going through his first Arizona car wash.
Obedience slushy.
I'm sure this was probably something very vintage before.
I think this place was like a Simonized before it was this.
Oh, Simonized. So maybe it had a Vector Rapid wash.
Well, Simonized it was a tunnel car wash. This thing's always been a tunnel.
Oh, okay. Oh, I thought the name of the car wash was Simonized.
It was.
But the system was Simonized too?
The system, it was, I don't know what the tunnel would have been before.
Maybe it was a Hannah.
Maybe. Who knows?
Yeah, we'll never know. Oh, I don't know you can go inside this one. That's cool.
Yeah, no. All the full serve ones you can.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's side to side. Cool.
All these rinse arches are proprietary.
Oh, okay.
Both lights are lit up.
Oh, I see. Nice, cool.
We're born.
Oh, why did it go up like that? I don't know. I'm out of here.
And thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed.